I'm Derek Johnson with Tatango.com, and today I'm going to be reviewing with you the things that I recommend brands put into a text message offer to make it the best offer that they can send their customers. So I have a really good example from Dollar General. They have a lot of the components that I recommend to our clients when they send their text message offers to customers. So let's look first at this message. First, they have Dollar or DG, which is Dollar General, right up front. Essentially, the first thing you want to make sure is that the brand name is front and center in the message. The reason you want to do this is not only do you want to include it in the message, you want to make sure it's front and center so people know it's not text message spam and they can identify who this message is from really quickly. Then second is you want to put the offer right up front. Now this is something that I think a lot of mobile marketers get wrong, is they put the qualification for the offer first and then the actual offer second. So what would that look like in this case would be spend $25, get $5 off. Dollar General is doing it correctly where they're putting the offer first and then the qualification second. So they're saying get $5 off, that's the offer, your $25 plus purchase. So that's a really good way to structure your offer. And also, they're putting the offer right up front. And the reason they do this is because if you look at your text message preview, you're going to see that Dollar General, it says get $5 off your $25 purchase right up front. If they would have led with, shop in store and, a link, that really is not enticing enough for a consumer when they're looking at the preview to click on that message. So a few things, the brand and then the offer, and putting the actual offer first and then the qualifications for that offer second. Then you want to put an expiration date, as they've done here with this text message. So this expiration date is really important because if you don't put an expiration date, it essentially has no urgency. And with no urgency, the consumer will kind of think in their head, oh, I'll save this for later, and then usually they won't use it for later. If you put urgency into the message, you're going to increase the conversion rates for your text offers because there's urgency in the offer. So they have that right there. Then they make it very clear to the consumer where they can redeem this coupon. So shop in store or online with promo code Sunny5. Now, this is very important. In text message marketing, you want to make sure that the instructions on how to use or how to redeem the text offer that is being sent to the consumer, how can the consumer redeem it? If you just say something along the lines of, get $5 off your $25 purchase today, 8/12 only, and then it just had a link without any other information, people wouldn't know, well, can I take this in store? What do I do when I click on the link? Do I use a promo code? You have to be very, very specific in text message marketing as to how the consumer, if they're interested in redeeming the promotion, how they can actually go about redeeming the promotion. So Dollar General has done a really good job here with saying shop in store with coupon. So I'm guessing when I click on this link, it's going to link me to a coupon that I would use in store or online with promo code here. So I would use Sunny5 as the promo code and I could shop online by clicking that link. So Dollar General has done a really good job of putting all the needed components into their message. Now, there are different components, there are different reasons why you use different components, but I think these are the ones that are standard that should be in the majority of all text message offers. And they essentially make the text message offer a great text message offer. And when you send a great text message offer to your customers, you get a higher conversion rate from those text message offers.